Ever see a hilarious meme, one that uses a famous photo in a new way? That's possible because of creative work shared online. But sharing can be tricky. Copyright laws are meant to protect creators, but they can sometimes make it hard to build upon existing work. Enter Creative Commons, a game changer for creators and fans alike. It's like giving permission slips for creativity to run wild. Creative Commons empowers creators to share their work with the world on their own terms. It's about saying yes to collaboration and remixing while retaining control over how your work is used. It's about breaking down barriers and letting ideas flow freely. Imagine a world where you could borrow a cool beat for your song or use a stunning photo in your presentation. Creative Commons makes this possible. It's a non-profit organization that provides free, easy-to-use copyright licenses. These licenses give everyone, from educators to artists to everyday internet users, a simple way to share their work and access a vast library of creative content. These licenses act like a bridge between creators and users. They clearly state how the work can be used, making sure everyone is on the same page. Want to allow commercial use? Specify it in the license. Want to be credited? That's covered too. Creative Commons empowers creators to choose the level of sharing that works best for them. Now let's dive into the exciting world of Creative Commons licenses. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Think of them as a menu of options for sharing. The most basic license is Attribution, or CC BY. This one lets others distribute, remix, adapt and build upon your work, even commercially, as long as they credit you. Then there's Attribution Share Alike, or CC BY SA. This license is perfect for fostering a true sharing community. It allows others to remix, adapt and build upon your work, even commercially, as long as they credit you and license their new creations under the same terms. Attribution No Derivs, or CC BY ND, lets others redistribute your work, commercially and non-commercially, as long as it is passed along unchanged and in whole, with credit to you. And Attribution Non-Commercial, or CC BY NC, permits others to remix, adapt and build upon your work non-commercially, as long as they credit you and license their new creations under the identical terms. Finally, there are two licenses that restrict sharing even further: Attribution Non-Commercial Share Alike, or CC BY NCSA, and Attribution Non-Commercial No Derivs, or CC BY NCND. These licenses combine the restrictions of non-commercial use with those of share alike and no derivs, respectively. Section 4, Open Doors to Innovation. The benefits of Creative Commons. The beauty of Creative Commons lies in its potential to unlock creativity and innovation on a global scale. For creators, it's a chance to gain exposure, build a community, and see their work used in amazing ways. Imagine your music featured in a popular video game, or your photography inspiring a new generation of artists. For users, Creative Commons offers access to a vast library of resources, empowering them to learn, create and share without legal hurdles. It levels the playing field, making knowledge and creative expression accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or resources. Section 5, Treasure Hunting, Finding and Using Creative Commons Content. Ready to dive into the world of Creative Commons? Amazing! There are tons of places to find content, from dedicated platforms to popular websites. Websites like Flickr, YouTube and Vimeo allow creators to mark their work with Creative Commons licenses. When you find something you want to use, just make sure to check the license. It will tell you exactly how you can use the work and what kind of attribution is required. Remember, giving credit is crucial. It's how we acknowledge and respect the original creators. Section 6, A World of Shared Knowledge, the Power of Open Access. In the digital age, sharing is more than just caring, it's essential. Creative Commons provides the tools and framework for a more open, collaborative and innovative future. By embracing open access and sharing, we can unlock a world of possibilities, empowering individuals to learn from each other, build upon existing knowledge and create something truly extraordinary. So let's break down the walls of copyright restrictions and embrace the power of Creative Commons. Let's create a world where creativity flows freely, knowledge knows no bounds, and everyone has the opportunity to participate in the global conversation of ideas.